Hey Vineeta, where does your heart lie?
Welcome to the sugar office. Let me show you around. But थोड़ा सा cheat चलता है.
So what does your day look like, Vineeta?
We have this outdoor campaign for sugar across the city. So we're going and checking out our hoardings, and then I have a meeting at BKC, and then back here for some more work at office. So I think it's going to be a packed day before I get back home to have dinner with my kids. But this is how I like it.
One accomplishment that you're really proud of?
I think being a working mom, it's damn hard, like I explained the day to you, from being present with your children and then being present as a CEO here. I think balance both of these, even with all the help that I have, is super hard, and I'm proud that not a single day did I ever think of giving up.
And it's amazing to be a part of your day-to-day.
Yeah, thank you. I love having these informal conversations, especially for companies like Vaaree, which I'm very proud of as an investor.
That's so sweet of you.
Yeah, that's a subtle plug. Thanks, Garima.
What is the one thing in here that's truly dear to you?
Oh, it's this coffee machine. I just got gifted this for my 40th birthday by my friends. And it's a really good machine where you get bean to cup within 2 minutes, and I love that.
Can you tell me how many coffees a day are you on?
Oh God, it's 11 a.m., 11:27, and I'm on my third cup already. So, but not more than 4.
Okay, so you have one to go for the day.
Yes, I have to optimize.
We know that you and Kaushik, you guys work together.
Yeah.
So how do you guys keep your home environment different from the office?
I think the biggest differentiator is the children. We have 2 young boys and everything at home revolves around them. So during dinner table, we're playing Uno and Ludo and all kinds of games, and on weekends we're spending a lot of time in the garden just playing cricket and football because they love sports. And I think you can't do all of that at office. So I think that's one big differentiator between home and work. It's the children.
Can you tell me if you have a piece here in office that makes you feel at home?
Well, I have a picture of my kids. It's right here. Somebody actually made this for me, but it's one of my favorites because it has my children.
So what is your go-to snack for work breaks?
To be honest, it's Sev Puri. Our office canteen makes the most amazing Sev Puri. Anybody comes, our investors, any of my portfolio companies, I'm always offering them Sev Puri. And अभी जब बोल ही दिया है तो actually खाने का भी मन कर रहा है. तो yes, exactly. This is like the most perfect snack that I snack on multiple times a day. It's not too healthy, but थोड़ा सा cheat चलता है.
बिल्कुल चलता है. If your office had a theme song, what would it be?
It's actually Sugar Vargi. It's a song we produced and we played at all our parties.
Do you mind singing a line for me?
Oh, it's a Punjabi song, so I'll get it all wrong, but it's Kudi Mithi Sugar Vargi, Kudi Mithi Sugar Vargi.
Can you share a funny incident from a party you hosted at home?
So we had a party for Women's Day where I had 25-30 women at home, and generally it's 2 boys and my husband. So they've never seen so many women at the same place. So my little kids were so psyched that they didn't come out of their room. Wow, thank you so much. Love it. Obviously, I have amazing taste. Nice. Oh, I love the packing. It's beautiful. And I'm so excited about these mugs. I'm going to take them home. I already have Vaaree mugs at home, but I think these are even cuter. Is all of this available on Vaaree?
All of it is available.
Oh, lovely.
Can you tell me what makes your office your home?
It's actually the people. We have a lot of inspiring women who work at Sugar, almost 3,000 of them. And I think that a home is home because of the people. And my office is like my home because of the team, which I really love and I'm inspired by.